What do you do if you have not received campaigns for some time? First thing is to contact support just to make sure your account is fine. So at the bottom of your screen, you will find a help option where you can put your name, your email address, then the message, type the message that you want to send to the support team, then click send. The support team will respond back to you with a possible reason. Like in my case, it's because they have not had any other campaigns for the last 1 week. Hopefully, I'll get some within the week and apply, or even next week. Yeah. So keep on checking your account. Always refresh, especially in the morning, and check whether you have any campaign during the day. And if you have in the inbox accept, do the video with that sound as I've done in the previous tutorial. Then it is active. After 3 days, the time lapses, usually 3 days, it's completed. Then wait for some time, then your funds are available for withdrawal.